Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Do you want to disable privacy mode on your iPhone to access all your browsing history and saved data? Privacy mode, also known as private browsing, keeps your browsing history and other data private. Here is a step-by-step guide to turn it off. First, open the Safari app. Unlock your iPhone and tap on the Safari app on your home screen. Next, access the tab view. Tap the tab icon, two overlaying squares, at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now you switch from regular browsing to private browsing. In the tab view, you will see a button that says Private at the bottom center. Tap on the private to enter and switch to the private mode. Enter your passcode to unlock the private browsing. You should now be in the private browsing mode. You can open new tab and your browsing history will not be saved. You can also go to the Safari setting in the setting app. Go to the setting apps. Scroll down and select Safari. Go through the setting to ensure any related privacy settings are adjusted according to your preference. Switching between privacy mode and normal browsing mode is super easy and quick. By following these steps, you can switch back to regular browsing mode and have your browsing history saved. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please comment, like and share with your friends, and I'll see you in our next one. Bye bye.